Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your project in After Effects. But just a quick disclaimer before we get started, if you plan on making videos for YouTube or another video platform, you want to make sure that the music you're using is copyright free. If you use copyrighted music, you can get that video copyright claimed or even striked, and it'll affect your channel's monetization and status. So you really just want to make sure that the music you're adding is non-copyrighted. If you're serious about content creation and have a little bit of money to spend, the place that I get my music from and that I recommend is Epidemic Sound. It has something like over 50,000 songs and 200,000 sound effects that you can use in your videos, and it's a pretty popular site that a lot of other big YouTubers get their music from too. They even have their own plugin for Adobe software, so you can find the music and sound effects you want right inside of After Effects. If you want to check it out, I'll leave my link to it at the top of the description, which will give you a free trial. Alright, so now back here in After Effects, what you want to do is make sure that you have your music downloaded, and then you want to come to the top corner and click on File, then click on Import, then click on File. Once you click on that, it's going to open up your computer's file explorer, so here you want to go and locate your music. For me, it's just in my music folder. Here it is right here. I'll click on it, and then click on Import. When you import it, it's going to end up here in your project files, and now you can just go ahead and drag it onto your timeline. Now you should be able to hear your music when you play the preview, but if for some reason it's not playing, you may want to look over here to the side to where you see this little audio icon. If this is blacked out like this, then you want to go ahead and click on it until you get that symbol. Now if you plan to use this music as like quiet background music, then you're going to need to turn down the audio levels. So to do that, you want to select the music and then hit L on your keyboard. You're then going to get this new audio levels editor here, and you're going to want to set this number deep in the negative. So typically for background music, it's going to be somewhere between -30 and -40. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.